Now we have question number 11. Find the square root of 7.832 correct to two decimal places, and in that second one is two significant digits. Okay. Now first we will find out the square root of this value, then we will go to the decimal places and significant digits. Okay. Now to find out the square root of this number, I'm going to choose the division method here, and in the decimal part we have to make a pair from left to right side. And as you can see here is a 2 is only one digit, so I'm going to place here 0. Now I can make a pair here. Now here it is only single digit, so we can't make a pair. Now start with the short division method. Now I'm going to choose the perfect square, that is 2. 2 2 is a 4. If you go with the 3, it will become a 9, no? So it will be greater than 7. So I'm going to with the 2. 2 2 is a 4. 7 minus 4 left with a 3. Now let me take this 8 3 down. So we have now 383. Here is the point. Let me add it here, and this 2 we need to add here. So 2 plus 2 I'll get 4. Now to do the division of 383, I'm going to give the number here 7. The same number we need to add here. Now 47 7s I'll get 329. 13 minus 9 I'll get, that is 4, and here it is 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now let me take this pair now down. So I'll have now 5420. This 7 we need to add here. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. So we have here 54. Now to do the division of this number, I'm going to take the number 9. The same number we need to write here 9. Okay. Now see here 549. 9s I'll have 4941. Okay. Now see here 10 minus 1 is 9. 11 minus 4 I'll get, that is 7. Here it will become 13. No, 13 minus 9 I'll have 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So now I'm having 479, and according to the question they asked us to find out up to the two decimal places, but still I'm going to take here one more pair of 0 to find out the third decimal place. Then we can decide the whether 9 it is going to remain same or it is going to change to the higher number. Okay, now let me take this 0 down, I mean pair of zeros. Now we are having, that is 47,900 here. Now this 9 we need to add here. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 here. So we have 558. Now to do the division of this, I'll choose the number 8 here. The same number we also need to write here. Okay, now 5588 8s I'll get, that is 44,704. Now here after subtraction I'm left with a remainder, that is 3,196, and as you can see here number we found, that is 2.798, and we need to write up to two decimal place according to the question. Now just look at the third decimal place which is greater than 5. So in that case what we need to do, we need to add 1 to the 9. So now when I'll add 1 to the 9 I'll get, that is 10. So 0 here, 1 here. 1 plus 7 is 8. Now here it is 0.2 remaining thing. Therefore we got the first in that first sub question, square root of 7.832 square root is 2.80. In that we have second question that they are asking us to write up to two significant digits. Now let me take this 2.80 here. Now two significant digit means this is the first significant digit and this is the second significant digit. So answer will be only 2.8. Okay. Question number 12. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 1205 so that the resulting number is a perfect square. See here, this type of a similar question we have already done, but in this question I'm going to teach two types of a method. Okay, in the first method what we have done in the earlier questions, no, that only I'm going to teach. In the second method what they have given the hint here, no, that I'm going to teach to do. Okay, so here is the first method. Okay, so first make a pair from right to left side. Okay, now I'm going to choose the short division method. Now for this perfect square number near to that, 3 3 is a 9. So 12 minus 9 get left with the remainder, that is 3. Now 05, let me take it down. So we have number 305. 3 we need to add here. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now to do the division of this number, I'm going to take a 4 here. The same number we need to write here. Now 64 4s I'll have, that is 256. Now 15 minus 6 is 9, and here it is 9 minus 5 is 4, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So remainder we got 49. Therefore this is only what, that is the least number. Therefore least number we found, that is 49. Now for this we will do the cross check. What they have said in the question, when we will subtract 49 from this number, no, whatever the resulting answer we will get, no, that they are said perfect square number. Okay, now let's do the cross check for that. So we are having here 1205 minus 49. Okay, now 50 minus 9 I'll get, that is 6. 9 minus 4, it will be 9 minus 4 is 5, and here it is become 1. No, yeah, 1 1. So now let's find out the square root for 1156. Now see here, according to the question, we must get a perfect number for this. Let's do the cross check. Before that, first we need to make a pair from right to left. Now to do the division of 11, I'm going to choose the number 3. 3 is a 9. Here the remainder got 2, and let me take this 56 down. Now 3 plus 3 we need to add here, that I'll get 6. As you can see here, 64 is a 4, we have 256 now. So I'm going to apply that one. 64 4 is a 256. As you can see here, the remainder we got 0. It means this what we have found the number after subtraction, that is perfect square number. Okay, it means what we found, that is least number 49, which is correct. Okay, now I'm going to do with the second method. Okay, now here again what we have done, no, that only we will do here. Okay, so in that, as you can see here, the remainder is left with the 49. Now look at this 34 square, what is that? So 34 square we will get, that is 1156, and what we have the number, that is 1205. Just what we need to do, we need to simplify, we need to subtract this number from this, that is 1205 minus 1156. Okay, now here after subtraction, 15 minus 6 I'll get 9, 9 minus 5 I'll get 4. Here 1 minus 1 is 0 0. So as you can see here, 49 we got here. Okay, so in the both case we found the same answer. So anyhow you can apply any method, and this is just for the cross check whether we have done that is correct or no. The second method also we can apply the same cross check method also here also. Okay.